Hello, in front of me I've got old Nissan key fob. In this video I'll show you how to access the battery. In the beginning, prepare screwdriver. Remove the screw located right here. And next, prepare tool like this and place it inside the hole at the bottom right corner of your key fob. Now the key fob is opened. Use the tool to fully open it. The battery is located here. To assemble it, push the both sides of the key fob and don't forget about the screw. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.